Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is gonna be about purple eye, and if you like what you see so far, please continue watching. So first I'll be using a moisturizer. The moisturizer I'm using is from Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is the tester version. I'll just use little bit. So for the primer, I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish Minimize Pores. First I'll be doing my eyes. So for the eyes, first I'll use this Krylon base in the shade Ivory. I'll use a brush and I'll just now I'll use the Fit Me powder just to set the base. The palette I'm using is James Charles Artistry palette. The first shade I'm using is Skip. It's a pink color. I'll just place it on the crease. The next shade I'm using is a mixture of Single and Love This. I'll place the purple shade on the lid. And now I'll just blend these two colors. Now I'll take the shade Artistry. It's a purple shimmer shade, and I'll use the flat brush and primer water. Now I'll apply the eyeliner. The eyeliner I'm using is gel eyeliner from Ink Color. I'll use PAC 320 brush to apply my eyeliner. Eyes later on, so I'll be doing my base now. So for the base, the foundation I'm using is from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 320 Natural Buff. And I'll use Miss Clear liquid highlighter, and I'll just put 1-2 drops of it and mix it with the foundation. I'll mix both of them with my PAC 307. It's a flat brush. the beauty blender and blend all of this. Now I'll use my LA Pro Conceal to balance out the darkness. For the brightening up, I'll use Fit Me Maybelline Concealer in the shade Medium. Now I'll use Fit Me's face powder in the shade 15 Light. I'll do baking with it and set rest of my face. Now I'll be doing my brows. So the product I'm using for my brows is Maybelline Total Temptation in the shade 315. Now I'll dust off the setting powder. Now I'll be doing my under eyes. So first I'll apply the kajal. It's from Maybelline. Now I'll be using the shade Skip. Now I'll take the angular brush and I'll take the purple shades and use it just near the waterline. Now I'm gonna throw some mascara on. The mascara I'm using is from Milk Makeup. Now I'll be using some bronzer. So the bronzer I'm using is from NYX in the shade Deep Tan. I'll use my PAC 214 brush to apply my bronzer. The blush I'm using is from Sivanna colors. After my blush, I'll be using the highlighter. The highlighter I'm using is from Maybelline Master Chrome. The product I'm using for my lips is from Anastasia in the shade Crush. So now I'm gonna top it with the gloss. The gloss I'm using is from Nykaa in the shade Honey Boo. now the last step is the setting spray. The setting spray I'm using is from Smashbox. So this is our final look.